In this video, we will talk about PDF file editing. What are some of the features you might want to edit in a PDF file? I will show you how to delete pages from PDF, how to split PDF pages and make more than one files from a single PDF file, how to password protect PDF without Acrobat's paid software, and how to allow access to a password protected PDF file which you have created using a free PDF editor. I will also show you how to extract pages from a PDF file and what is the difference between extracting a page and deleting a page. In this video, I will also compare 4 free PDF editors by actually demonstrating one example from each of those. And all of these PDF editors have both free and paid versions. In free versions, there could be two types of limitations. One is that there could be maximum number of editing operations you can perform, and the second limitation might be the file size. So I will show you these free PDF editors, and then I will show you what, in my opinion, is the best free PDF editor. So sit back and you will learn a lot about editing PDF files in this video. So let's get started after a short break. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tahir and I make videos about educational technology tools available to students and teachers. So if you are interested in this subject, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel, normally every Tuesday and Friday. In this video, I will first show you what you can do with the free version of Acrobat Reader DC, which is the free Adobe Acrobat software, and normally you already have on your computer or you can install. Then I will show you 4 PDF editors, and these are I Love PDF. The second one is PDF to Go. The third one is Sajda, and the fourth PDF editor is PDF Escape. And the way this video will proceed, first I will show you how to delete pages from a PDF using Acrobat Reader. Then we will split a PDF using I Love PDF editor. Then I will pass protect a PDF using PDF to Go, and I will show you how to use this. Then I will extract pages from a PDF file using Sajda PDF editor, and then I will show you how to delete PDF pages using PDF Escape. And this is a different method than the first one, which will be by using Acrobat Reader. And then at the end I will show you what you can do about PDF files in Microsoft Word, which is a very handy software and normally available to us, but handling PDF in Word also has some issues, and we will also discuss those issues in this video as well. So this is my action plan for this video. I want to remove the page number 5 from this PDF. To do that, when I click on File, then I can click on Print, and then you select Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer. Once this printer is selected, now you click on these pages, and now you have to put all the pages except the page which you want to remove. So let's say I want to remove page number 5. So what I will type here is 1 to 4, 6-8. So 5 is missing. Then I click print, and now I save this file. So this is the original file, and now I can rename this without page 5, something like that, and I can save it. And as you can see that only 7 pages are being printed. And now I open the same file. So this is the newly created or printed file. I open this, and as you can see that after page number 4 there is no page number 5, and we have page number 6. So this is one workaround, or you can say that a method to remove a page, but you should also understand that your page numbers will be disturbed. This is useful only when you don't have a critical document, because sometimes page numbers written on the documents are not critical, but this is not a good method. And now if you look on the right hand side, it seems that you can do almost everything in this reader. You can put a comment, you can organize pages, but actually when you click on any of these, you will see this dialog box, and when you click on that in a hope to organize your pages, Now you will be presented by a lifelong bill. For the rest of your life, you have to pay them 21 point something dollars every month. This is of course not a good choice for most of us who are short in cash. So therefore we are looking for free PDF editors. So let's get started from the first one. Now the first PDF editor we are going to discuss is ilovepdf.com. As you can see that you have many tools available here, and I'm going to show you the split PDF example. So I click on that, I click select PDF, and this time I select a large file, and now as you can see that this file has 43 pages and I want to split first 20 and the rest of the 23. So to do that, I click in the second column and I select 20 here, and then I click add range, and it has automatically filled the rest of the pages. If you want, you can create a custom range, but I just want to demonstrate quickly. So I don't want to create any other range. I simply click on split PDF, and now my file is ready, which will be a zip file. So I download this, and now it is a zip file. So I click save, and then I click show in the folder. And now this is the file. I right click on this file and I click extract here, and now I get these two PDF files. And as you can see that software has automatically created names for them, 1 to 20 and 21 to 43. And if I click on this file, as you can see that it has page 1 to 20, and let me close this, and if I click on the second one, it has page 1 to 23. And as you can see at the bottom, the page number shows that this is page 21 of 43, although this is page 1, but this is page 21 of a larger document. So this is a proper way of splitting PDF files. Now the next PDF editor I am going to show you is PDF2Go. This is their website, pdf2go.com, and if I click on all tools, as you can see there are many tools available, but I am interested in password protecting the file. So I click on protect PDF, and now I have to click on choose file, and I select this file and click open. Now it has processed the file, and now if you scroll down, you can see that this is the process of protecting a PDF file, and now you have to enter password, and make sure that you note this password somewhere, otherwise it will be hard to break. And then you can set the permissions. For example, I want to prevent printing. So if somebody has this password, let's call it password number 1, and there is another password for permissions. So let us call this password number 2, and this must be different. Now if somebody has this password, only that person will have the permission to print, and the person who has the first password will only be able to open the file because printing has been prevented. But this is the permission password. So I will show you in a minute, and then I click on start. It processes the file, and now automatically this save as dialog box will open, and now you can change the name a little bit. So I have changed the name a little bit, and I click save, and now this is the password protected file. I click on that. So there were two passwords, first and second. So I am putting the first password now. Click OK. The file is open, but if I click on file, as you can see that print icon is not highlighted. So I cannot print this file. So if I enter the second password, then I will be able to print because that is the permission password. So let me close this. Now I open it again. This time I am putting the second password. Press OK. Now I click on file, and as you can see that print icon is available. So this is how you password protect PDF files. Now the next free PDF editor is Sajda, and if I click on all tools, as you can see that a large number of PDF file handling tools are available, but I want to show you extract pages. So I click on extract pages, then I click on upload file, and now I click the large file and open it, and now the application has uploaded my file. As you can see, it has 43 pages, and now I want to extract page number 1 to 20, comma, and then 31 to 43. So I want to remove page numbers 21 to 30. So this is what I want to do. You can also select single pages by putting commas, but if you want to select continuous pages, you put like dash, and then I click on extract pages. It will show the processing, and within 2-3 seconds my document is ready. As you can see that the total number is now 33. This document has 33 pages, and if you scroll down you can see the way pages are numbered. It shows page 3 of 43. So let's scroll down until I reach this, and now this is page 20 of 43, and just after this you will see page 31 of 43. So page number 21 to 30 are missing. So this is how you extract pages from a PDF file. So if you have, for example, 200 pages and you want to remove 5 or 6, you just delete them. But if you want to take only few from a big file, then you extract them. So this is how it works. Sometimes extract is easy, sometimes deletion is easy. So this was another free PDF editor. And now the last I want to show you is PDF Escape. PDFescape.com is the website. You can choose a file by clicking on choose file. And let me choose this larger file because larger file is less than 10 megabytes and PDF Escape allows you maximum 10 megabytes. So I click on this, and now it has uploaded my file. To delete any pages, I have to click on this pages, and then I can select any page. Let's say I select this page number 7 and I click on delete. Do you want to delete this page? I click yes. And now as you can see that after page number 6 we have page number 8. Page number 7 has been deleted and total pages are now 42. And now to download this file you simply click on this green arrow, save and download, and let me save this page 7 removed. So I save this, and now I open this file and we have this page number 7 removed. But again the page numbers are written in this way. If you are happy with that, then it's fine, you can delete pages in this way. But if you want these page numbers to be correct, then the best way is to use LaTeX. LaTeX is also a free software, and on my channel you will find many videos about LaTeX. I will put link to one video here which is the first one you should watch and which will get you started because it has a learning curve. LaTeX cannot be explained in one video or two video, but you can get started by watching only this video which I will put here, and then you can learn more. I have maybe 20 or 30 videos on my channel. Now let me show you what is my favorite. This Sajda PDF editor in my opinion is the best free PDF editor. So let me show you few things. The number of tools this PDF editor offers and their limitation. So if you look here, you will see some of their limitations. It allows you a maximum 200 page document, and you can use 3 PDF editing operations per hour, which is very good. No other free PDF editor allows you this liberty to have 3 PDF editing operations per hour, and the files will be deleted from their server. If you want more security, you can download their desktop application as well just by clicking on this desktop, and you will get this file which you can click and install. Otherwise they delete your files after 2 hours, and during these 2 hours your files are protected and private. And the video will become very long, but I have shown you other PDF editors, and if you compare you will agree with me that Sajda is the best free PDF editor. So I hope that you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. See you next time.